YouTubers! If you have a crankcase and you're trying to remove a very stubborn dowel pin, like one of these guys up here, you know, usually they'll have them on each side of the crankcase. And if your motor, you know, is kind of old and crusty, or you're just having trouble removing this stupid thing, sometimes you can salvage it, sometimes you can't, and you're going to have to replace it. Either way, if the old school method of just, you know, needle nose pliers or some kind of pliers, which usually just squishes the thing and damages it anyway, and you're not trying to spend $60 on some, you know, fancy tool to remove these things, especially if you're just trying to do it one time, here's a way you can remove a dowel pin, hopefully save it. If not save it, at least you can get it out of there without damaging the crankcase. I'll show you real quick. Alright, what you're going to need to do is find an appropriately sized drill bit. So you're going to have to look through your assortment. Hopefully you can use the round side and just shove it in there. But if you've already damaged the pin, like this one is a little bit warped already, so I'm having trouble putting the round side in it. Either way, though, just put your drill bit in there. Make sure it's a good snug fit. You don't want it to be loose and floppy. You know, if it's sloppy, you're going to destroy the pin anyway. But if you don't really care about destroying it, you just want it out of there, get a good sized drill bit. Tap it in there a little bit. You know, you can use your hammer and it'll spiral down in there some. Okay, and just sort of work it around in there, and that'll hopefully loosen it a little bit. Then grab you some channel locks or something with some good bite, you know, some good teeth on them right here. You may need to use some vice grips or something. I mean, you're basically not worried about it regardless. You're just trying to get it out. All right, and now you're going to use the whatever tool you like and just turn it. You know, just work on it some, turn it a little bit. You may have to put some heat on it also. You know, you may have to heat up the crankcase right around here with your torch or some kind of powerful heat gun or something, and just keep working it. And eventually, and just start tugging on it. See, this way, the drill bit is keeping you from squishing the dowel pin. Hopefully you can save it. But if you can't save it, at least you got it out. You know, that's your main concern, because you can replace dowel pins. They're not exactly cheap, which is ridiculous. However, you know, there you go. And then you can, you know, get replacement dowels. That's the best way I've found to do it. You know, without just destroying the stupid thing. And then you have to drill it out or something, which makes it even worse. So that's my fix. What you're looking at is a fabulous little workstation that I created. Has an engine work stand, has a mechanics cart beneath it. Pretty awesome. You know, these are parts that anyone can buy, but I put them together into a workstation that makes life easier for working on engines and crankcases and whatnot. And I'll put some links below, you know, if you're interested in something like this. This is not my product by any means. I just made something out of it to make it more useful. You can see, you know, how this you can rotate the crankcase all the way around, split your cases on it. Totally awesome. Anyway, irrelevant. That's it for today, and check out our other videos. We got so many good videos that may help you guys, as well as entertainment videos, you know, motocross related, racing related, drag racing stuff. You know, we just got all kinds of entertaining and hopefully helpful videos that, you know, might make life easier for you. So check out Horsepower House on the internet. Is also, you know, just Google us, you'll find us. And that's it for today. Biker Dave in the shop, removing dowel pins. So have a good one.